Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. So glad you're here today. Today, we're diving into 10 super easy Christmas crochet gift ideas perfect for beginners. And here's the best part. Every single one comes with a free pattern. These projects are cute, fast, and total lifesavers for last-minute handmade gifts. Let's not waste time, let's jump right in. Next up, the mini Christmas tree ornament. This is huge this year and for good reason. It's so simple. You just crochet a little triangle, add a tiny trunk, and boom, done. Hang them on your tree, use Emma's gift toppers, or string a few together for a garland. It's also the perfect way to use up scrap yarn. Total beginner win. Let's talk snowman ornaments. Here's the thing, if you can crochet a circle, you can make this guy 2 circles for the body, a tiny scarf, and a cute face with black yarn and done. It works up so fast that you could make 5 in one evening. Great for kids' rooms or teacher gifts. 3 is the classic Santa hat. Babies, kids, adults. This pattern fits everyone, and it's so beginner friendly. No tricky shaping, just rounds of single crochets and double crochets. Imagine gifting this for holiday photos. Adorable, and way more special than store-bought. The candy cane striped beanie. It looks fancy, but trust me, those stripes are just simple color changes. If you're new to switching yarn colors, this is the perfect first project to practice. Festive, cozy, and everyone loves a handmade beanie for winter. Win-win. 5. Beginner fingerless gloves. Ika hide gloves. Here's how easy they are. Crochet a simple rectangle, fold it, seam up the side, and leave a little hole for your thumb. That's it. They're stylish, fast to make, and the best gift for coworkers or friends who love warm hands. Granny Square Christmas coasters. If you can make a basic granny square, you can make a whole set. Use red, green, and white for that classic holiday vibe. They're thoughtful, practical, and people love getting handmade coaster sets. No one has too many. The no-sew pocket penguin. Yes, no sewing, just simple rounds, a little shaping for the head and belly, and you're done. No need for a needle and thread. This little guy's been trending on TikTok lately. Kids go crazy for him, and he's the perfect stocking stuffer. Christmas mug cozy. Crochet a basic rectangle, add a festive applique, and done. Pair it with a cute mug and some hot cocoa mix, and you've got an affordable, adorable gift great for neighbors. The quick bowl, cozy. Make it with 100% cotton yarn, and it's perfect for holding warm soup bowls or holiday treats. Simple to make, super useful, and people will use this all year, not just Christmas. But not least, number 10, the mini drawstring gift bag. It's reusable, and you can fill it with candies, jewelry, or a gift card. It looks fancy, but it's so beginner friendly. Just a few rows of crochet and a simple drawstring. Reusable wrapping is always a win. 10 easy Christmas crochet gifts all with free patterns. Now, tell me, which one are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. I love seeing what you make. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more cozy crochet ideas. Thanks for watching, friends. Happy crocheting and Merry Christmas.